Hello everyone, I'm finally back after a couple months away. My life has been so busy lately with my business and home and my child and everything that it entails. But I'm finally back here today, and I wanted to start by unboxing my brand new auto heat press, which was kindly gifted to me by HTVRont. I am getting started in heat pressing t-shirts and tote bags mainly. So I thought I would give you guys some insight into this heat press. HTVRont also sent me a set of heat transfer vinyls that I'll be showing you guys today. And I'm gonna be using them for my first design. The set comes with instructions, which makes it so much easier to get it started, and a variety of colors and textures. So the first thing I did was create the design, which was made on my iPad. I transfer the design over to my laptop. I'm basically tracing it out in the Silhouette Studio. I place my heat transfer vinyl here on a cutting mat, and I'm gonna send it to my Silhouette machine, which is gonna do all the job cutting it out. And once it's done, I'm gonna weed. So I'm just weeding the design and getting everything set to be transferred to my surface. This press comes with a variety of settings that you can choose from, and it also gives you the option to create your own settings with your own temperature and time. So it makes it very versatile for all different medias and surfaces that you may want to start pressing onto. I set my temperature for like 305 for 15 seconds. Worked like magic. Here's the result. Today is a Thursday, January 11th, and I am gearing up for a shop update toward the 20th or the end of this month. I'm not sure yet because I still have stuff coming in the mail and some stuff are delayed. So I'm not sure yet, but I should have a date toward the end of this week. My office is really messy right now. I've been playing around with the heat press, just packing orders, just like daily basis messes that just linger when you're constantly working, constantly packing orders, and you not always have the time to like straighten everything up before you go to bed. So I'm gonna open up some packages now and show you what it came in, and then I'm gonna straighten up the office a little bit. I just had my packing tape delivered today. I used packing tape which I designed myself with my branding colors and logo on it. I've had other designs before, but I just decided it was time to move on and get something new that, had more branding colors that will add more character to my packages and make it easier for customers to recognize that one of my packages has been delivered to them. So yeah, I'm super excited about trying it out. And I also got more goodies delivered. These are hair clips that I designed. Like, I was so excited to see these because last year I first started designing hair accessories and people absolutely loved them. Like, they literally flew out the shelves the minute I uploaded them to my shop. I had 5 designs come today, and 3 of them are brand new and 2 of them are restocks. I'm so proud of these because I think they turned out so cute and even better than I expected when I first designed them. These 2 were like the ones I was the most excited for because it's my first time ever designing these, which are sticky notes or post-it notes if you prefer. I waited for such a long time for these to come. Let's unbox them with me and see what they look like. Oh my goodness, I'm blown away. They look so good. Like, the color accuracy is just perfect. I have tried creating notepads which, are similar products before, and I have tried a variety of suppliers before. And I personally prefer creating paper goods with American companies just because I've had a much better experience with them when it comes to those. With stuff like notepads, sticky notes, it's always hit or miss, right? And the customer service with domestic companies is like way easier to navigate and to communicate with whenever you have a problem. And you probably will, because these are so delicate and so fragile that often like a couple or several of them will come damaged, or like in my case in this batch, quite a few sticky notes, they came like missing pages, like anywhere from 5 to 10 pages. So you will want to have like a strong and good customer service when you need that kind of help. And I've learned that through trial and error. So I'm being very upfront with you so you don't make the same mistakes I did. Especially if you have a stationery based business, there are mistakes that you can definitely avoid. I'm just gonna put away for now. I'm counting them, the pads now, and like looking for gross flaws like smudges, like dark marks on the pads, bent pads, or like misalignments, misprints, anything that would make a pad be grade. So I set those apart, and those will be sold later on as B grade at a discounted price. After that, I took photos of everything. Some of these pets are restocked, so I don't have to photograph them again because I already have listings in my shop. So after photographing everything, I am just gonna try to organize a little bit my inventory. The video doesn't do them justice, just like so vibrant and so saturated. I'm gonna be packing some orders now. Nighttime has been my favorite time to pack orders lately because that's when I can get things done without interruptions. I have a 2-year-old, so that means that during the day I can get very little done. He's super active right now, and most of my time is devoted to him and to playing and everything that entails taking care of a toddler. So I have a couple sticker sheets to make for orders that I'll be packing tonight. A few days later, my shop update has just been launched and I'll be getting some orders packed tonight. I usually go as late as I can stay awake and I get as many packages ready as I can. I'm also going to be unboxing my new phone with you guys. I recently traded my iPhone 13 for a 15 Pro. Mainly because I was constantly running out of memory. Like I had 128 in my old phone and I felt like it was never enough. Every time I needed to film a video for my social media, sometimes take photos or just video my child, I was constantly running out of memory. I never really had enough. Every time I needed to film content, I had to delete something in order to be able to film something else. So that was annoying me and I felt like I was constantly having to get rid of stuff that I didn't really wanted to. Also because of the camera, because from the 13 to the 15, there have been improvements when it comes to the camera. So let's get it all set up to use. You may be hearing my child in the background. I am a mother, as many of you may know, and this is the season of life I'm in right now. I'm constantly struggling to balance my life as a business owner with my life as a mother, as a homemaker, and it's very hard. If you are a parent too, you may know what I'm talking about, but it's not easy. And the main reason I'm not able to be more present here on YouTube, but I will always have something available here when it's possible for me. You can count on that. So thank you so much for watching. You have no idea how much this means to me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.